My name is Augustin Doublé, founder and art director of The Creators and Art Circle, a new social trading DApp for the arts. We know that the fine arts market has been growing at light speed since above 20 years. Just last year, above 60% thanks to NFTs and blockchain, but only for the benefits of a private few, only for the benefits of a few players, because it's an opaque, hard to navigate, and exclusive world. Artist coins, that's how we call creators coins, and DAO can unlock the art market. We can make it accessible, trustworthy, remove unnecessary intermediaries, and make sure that the community as a whole can have inclusive governance. We create a new kind of art gallery, a Web3 art gallery, where art lovers can not only invest in artists, but engage with them through the whole journey with artist coins and create a new kind of community, active community with DAO and the native coin of Art Circle, the Artsy. We have a head start. It's powered by a strong established NYC art gallery with more than 90K followers and 100 signed artists. Thank you. Bye.
So, how does the Art Circle platform work? The platform will have two types of tokens. One is the artist coins, which are social tokens for each artist on the platform, and the other one is the Art Circle DAO token, which is the government's token. So the DAO works a bit like a decentralized art investment fund, basically. So first of all, the DAO decides which artist is admitted to the platform through the government's token. So once admitted, the artist creates the social token. So basically, the DAO is allowing artists to create the social token. And third of all, there's the treasury aspect. The DAO has a treasury, and the DAO votes on which artist to fund. Once a vote is passed, the DAO purchases X amounts of artist coins to be staked in the treasury. And the artist coin gets benefits, which are then trickled down to the treasury as well. So, with this mechanism, a virtuous circle is hence created where artists and art lovers earn as a collective.
Hello, I will quickly show you why the artist token is special, because it's directly connected to the value the artist creates. And the way it works is basically you mint an artist token, you issue a vesting schedule, put it to your supporters. That's the easy part. However, the artist also goes onto the Art Circle platform and mints NFTs, for example, mints part of their art. They can program now into these NFTs a percentage of royalty, secondary sales, but also other perks, benefits, rare NFTs, fractional NFTs that token holders receive. So when a user buys tokens, the social tokens, they are entitled to a certain split of these benefits. The way it works, basically, the key part of the tokenomics is that the user can buy these social tokens and then lock in these artist tokens. The percentage from the overall share that the artist shares with their investors or their patrons is basically determined by the duration of the tokens that are locked in or staked and the amount of tokens. So the more tokens I own, the more I buy, the more I invest in the artist, and the longer I lock them in, the more benefits I get. By that, we avoid pump and dump and encourage like this long-term investment. So, and that's also how the DAO works, in a sense. From a Genesis supply that flows into the treasury is used to scout new artists, invest in new artists, and then take these artist coins, investing in the artist, trying to make them big, and then receiving a constant share. So it's a very sustainable, very good business model.
Hello. So I'll discuss the implementation of governance, and we will do this via Aragon's platform. The intention is to create a system where holders of the governance token are able to grant governance to a new member, rescind governance from a current member, deposit funds into the DAO treasury, and transfer funds from the treasury to support causes. These could be supporting artists in their projects, donating to organizations or charities, and so on. All governance token holders will be able to create proposals and vote on whether they pass. Our submission document goes through the above use cases in more detail, but to sum it up, we created a DAO on the Ringme network and added several test accounts as Art Circle members. As you could see on the screen, we went through the process of creating proposals, voting on whether or not to pass them, and either enacting or rejecting the proposed transactions. We also deposited funds into the treasury and withdrew them to specified wallet addresses to simulate, say, providing support for third world artists' projects.
We are creating ERC20 social tokens using Coinvise. We're using Superfluid to create subscriptions to distribute revenue generated back to the social token holders. Because Superfluid provides programmable workflows, we can have custom logic for incoming revenue streams and outgoing streams. So we are using instant distribution protocol from Superfluid, where we are creating a pool which resembles the amount of money generated from the NFT contract sales of creator, and we are giving revenue in weighted manner to all the token holders from that pool. And this is work in progress, smart contract resembling the same. And this is our Web3 architecture diagram, where we are getting all the wallet addresses and number of tokens of a creator from using Covalent API, and using Chainlink Keeper, we are making monthly calls to check what's the current treasury of the NFT smart contract and update the stream value accordingly.